Well, hello, Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative. If you don't already know, part of our initiative is to bring you 2 free Divi layout packs straight from our design team to you every single week. And for the first layout pack this week, we have for you a fitness gym layout pack that I think you're going to really love. The Fitness Gym Layout Pack delivers powerful design and content features that will excite any gym owner. The pack includes pages for promoting your gym memberships, classes, programs, pricing packages, and more. And the spacious grid layout for the content allows the background images and beautiful title displays to stand out and work their magic. So for you gym owners out there in need of a website, this layout pack will definitely get you and hopefully your new clients up and running. So take it for a spin. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription. You can do that by going to Divi, Theme Options, and then go ahead and click the Updates tab. Enter your username and API key that came with your Elegant Themes subscription, and then go ahead and click Save Changes. Once done, you are ready to start adding your pre-made layouts to each of your new pages. To get started, you'll need to create a new page. To do that, go over to Pages, Add New. Go ahead and enter a title for your page, and then deploy the Visual Builder. Then select the Choose a Pre-Made Layout option. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll down until you find the Fitness Gym Layout Pack. Click on it. Then you'll see a preview of all the layout pack pages included on the right here, and also a preview of that page over here on the left with the option to use this layout. So click the Use This Layout button once you find the layout pack that you want. Once your layout loads on the page, don't forget to publish it. Now you're ready to add a primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to your WordPress dashboard and then navigate to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your menu a new name and click Create Menu. Over here on the left, you'll want to select all the pages that you created and then add them to your menu. Organize the menu structure how you like, and then don't forget to set your display location to primary menu. Then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to add a static home page to your website. And you'll do that by going over to Settings, Reading. There, under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the home page, go ahead and select the home page that you created with the corresponding homepage pre-made layout. And then click Save Changes. Now your website is up and running with the new Fitness Gym Layout Pack. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love this new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. And don't forget to check out our next free layout pack, which should be released on Friday. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.